All right, everyone, welcome to Trade Wave Tuesdays. So again, we're using the Trade Wave system to try to see if we can outperform the markets. And so far, we're doing pretty great at it, right? We're up about 7%. Current positions, we're actually down on. Crocs, we have a stop loss right under this level right here. WTW, this hasn't moved at all, so we have a stop loss below that price. And SPR actually triggered a sell on the trade wave, so I've moved that stop, was initially down here. I've just moved it right up under price, so that will probably get triggered tomorrow on the open. So what we're trying to look for next is ONON. So again, I'm using the trade wave scanner to try to look for things that trigger buys today. And I'm just putting out these orders because I'm starting to do these now on Monday nights for a couple of reasons. One, I do most of my trading in the evenings, and that kind of shocks a lot of people. You think you have to be here to stare at the market all day. Certainly not the way it works, right? You can connect this to your brokerage account. You can be very systematic with your trading where you can just set up orders, walk away, let the systems play out. And that's kind of what I'm doing here with this as well, because I do it with my own trading. So I'm just going to hit the buy button and I'm just going to put right over yesterday's high. And I think that's how we're going to enter a lot of these going forward. We're going to go over yesterday's high. We're going to look to get involved. Put our initial stop just under the swing low, not think too much about it. And then we'll see if we get a little bit of a move. We'll wait for that to switch sell and we'll move on. The reason I like this ONON is they make shoes. I was just out actually on Trader TV talking about Deck. That also put in a buy. They make shoes. There seems to be a big shoe developer, this VFC. I saw moving today on earnings. They have some sort of sewing and apparel type thing. So seems to be big on shoes. We already have Crocs going here as well. Talking about shoes, we're going to move our stop again up to this level here on Crocs. So we're big on shoes right now. That's what's going on. We're a shoe type portfolio. Obviously, going forward, the next thing won't be shoe related. I can't put that many in it, but that's what we're looking at here. Again, doing very, very well. We're looking at using the trade wave indicator. We're going to continue to do this. At some point, we're going to have some sort of a drawdown. It's fine. It's the way it works. If we were to sell these now, we'd probably lose another percent on our portfolio, still putting us up to about 6%. But we'll see. This WTW, I may end up just getting rid of at some point if it can't get going one way or another. These, to me, are more frustrating than trades that just stop you out immediately. It's like, hey, to just do something. Stop me out or move to just do something. So at some point, if we run out of capital, which we have 2 more trades until we're out of capital, we'll just get rid of the position and go with something else that looks a little bit better. So again, trade wave this week is ON.